Hey guys, it's me Anna. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. So I have been wanting to film this video since like a really long time now. You guys often ask me on Instagram how do I earn from blogging, how do I start blogging and everything of that sort. So in today's video I'll be covering all those questions. So I have been into blogging since like more than a year now, and I have learned a lot of things which I'll be sharing in today's video, and I hope you find this video like very helpful. So firstly I need to start by saying one very important thing, which is if you want to start blogging just to earn from it and just to get free stuff from brand, then please don't do it. It's not about money at all. It's about so much more, which I'll be telling you in today's video. So yes, let's start with all the questions. So the first question is very basic, which is how to start blogging. So to start blogging, you firstly have to understand what do you want to do, what is your niche. If you want to do fashion blogging or lifestyle or beauty or travel, food, fitness, there are like literally so many niches, so you have to choose your niche. And personally I do fashion and lifestyle mostly, and also beauty. So yes, you have to understand your niche and then you have to start. And then the next step is to create a blog. People often get confused between starting a blog and starting it on Instagram. If you are doing it on Instagram, then it is no way related to blogging. It's completely a different thing, which is very important to know. So to create a blog, if you want to start writing blogs, then you can start it on WordPress or Blogspot. I started on Blogspot, and because I feel that it is much easier than WordPress, I find WordPress a bit complicated. So yes, firstly you can start it on WordPress or Blogspot, which is like completely free and you don't have to pay for it. Just make an account like you do on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, and you can start from there. So I personally started as a blogger. I made an account on Blogspot and then I completely shifted to only doing Instagram, and now I'm doing Instagram and YouTube both. So yes, you can, if you want to read my blogs, then I will put the link in the description box, and I hope you find that helpful. So next step is to start creating content and start posting. So if you are into fashion and lifestyle, then you can start creating by your personal style. You can use clothes from your wardrobe. There's literally no money you need to invest. It's completely free. You just need to show what you believe in, what your personal style is, and influence people through that. I first posted a blog which was how to style a particular dress in certain ways, and it was like a really completely hit. It was a hit, like so many people liked it, and I got like so many messages, DM from you guys, and you guys completely loved it. Next step is to start posting. You have to post, like create good content and post every day. And by posting every day, I do not mean like कुछ भी click करके कुछ भी डाल दोगे, कुछ भी बकवास content बना दोगे, उससे नहीं होगा. You have to like create quality content. Like I always believe quality over quantity. If you cannot create, like if you cannot post every day, then post at least like alternative days. Like in the weekends, create all the content, go to good locations, click good pictures, outfit ideas. Like you can do so many things, like YouTube, Google, everything is there. Just search. You need to have like a proper knowledge about it, proper knowledge about blogging. You just go search. Like I have literally watched every YouTube video, and I've read all the blogs, how to become a blogger, how to start YouTube, how to click good pictures. Like you need to have proper knowledge about what you are doing. Next question is what all equipments do you need? So I would say that equipment does not matter. Trust me, it does not matter. Nowadays everyone has a phone which has like a really good camera quality. Like all of you must be having an iPhone or OnePlus, if I'm not wrong, or Vivo, MI. Every phone has like a really good camera, so you don't need to invest in camera. And nowadays, like you all, like everyone has a friend who owns a DSLR, so you can ask that friend to help you. And if not, if you're completely alone, then use a tripod to click your pictures. Go to good location, go to good cafes, There are like so many good locations in Calcutta. If you want me to discuss about that, then I'll like mention in the description box. It's been like 2 years, almost 2 years into blogging, and I still don't own a camera. I use my phone. I have a Samsung. It has a good camera quality, but then still, you know what I'm talking about, right? So yes, I still don't own a camera because equipment does not matter at all. This question is, do we need any particular course to start blogging, and what is the age to start blogging? So there is no such age. You can start blogging even if you're 20 or even if you're 30. It doesn't matter. What matters is your content and your ideas. So when I started blogging, I was about to be 19, if I'm not wrong. Yes, so I was about to be 19. And do we need any proper course? I don't think so. Like, you should have knowledge about what you're doing. There is YouTube, there is Google. You can do literally everything, all the research over there. I have seen all the videos related to how to become a blogger, how to become a YouTuber, what all equipments do we need, how to create content. I have learned everything by my own. There was no one to guide me. The next question is how to get noticed on social media. Okay, this one is like a very important question. So see, how you will get noticed on social media is by your work. If your work is good enough, then you will get noticed. Don't worry about the followers, don't worry about the engagement. Just start putting up good content. If your content is good, then you will obviously get followers. When I started blogging, I had around 500 to 1000 followers, and in a span of year I am already at 10,000 followers. So it all depends on your content. People liked my content, they appreciated it. So you have to talk to your audience, you have to ask them what they want to see from you, and according to that you can create content. Use proper hashtag. Go do good research on top trending hashtag to use on Instagram, and that will also fetch you likes and followers. So I want to share this very important point. If you want to get noticed on social media, then trust me, you have to be like very real, very genuine and very kind to your followers. People will follow you because of your personality. They will not follow you for something which you are not. So don't pretend to be someone you are not. Just be real, be kind, and success will come to your way. So this is like the most asked and most important question, which is how to earn through blog, how to earn through Instagram and everything, like basically money related. So like I mentioned earlier, if you want to start blogging just to earn through it, then please don't do it. It will not take you in a long run. And when I started blogging, I had no idea that I can actually earn from it. Okay, so it all depends on you, how good your work is, how good your content is. Then brands will automatically come to you. Even you can go to brands, and always go to brands you relate to. Never post fake reviews just for money, let me tell you. And yes, there are like two types of collaborations. First is barter, second one is paid. So in barter, what happens that the brand will give you certain products in free, and you have to like review it or create content using it. And the second way is to paid collaboration. So in this way, what you have to do is that brand will give you money and they'll give you certain products, and you have to create content. So it all depends on you, how good your work is. In that way the money will go higher. And yep, don't do it for money. Your love and passion for blogging will only take you ahead, and not money. In the long run, you will see that you're gaining followers, the money is going up, and let me tell you that I'm not kidding at all. You can earn from thousands to lakhs through blogging and YouTube. And yeah, it's a full-time business. Okay, so let's be like very real. It's very difficult to get social media attention these days, but then it's not that difficult. If you are unique, if you are different in what you are doing, then you will definitely get social media attention. Nowadays, like, there are so many bloggers in our country. It literally blows my mind. Whenever I open Instagram, all I see is everyone is a blogger, everyone is an influencer. One thing I don't understand is, मतलब अगर सब influencer हो जाएंगे तो influence कौन होगा? Like, this is like a very important question. So if you have answer to this, then let me know in the comments below, okay? So this is completely a different topic I'm going into. Chuck. So you have to be like very confident, very unique, very real in what you are doing, and that way you will get followers, you'll get likes, and all you have to, like, your main focus should be creating good content. So that is it for today's video. I hope you found this video very helpful, and let me know in the comments below if you have any more questions, and follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and we are almost at 1000 subscribers. Let's get there like very quickly, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.